very proud moment for the entire Indian drone industry when Switch UAV from IIT-H got featured at Times Square, New York for bagging the recent orders. So friends, the top 20 news for this month are: recently, the Indian Army has signed an approximate INR of 135 crore contract with IIT-H for around 120 units of high-altitude variants of Switch UAV which will be delivered over a period of 1 year. India's border guarding force BSF will soon be equipped with a latest technology to counter rogue drones being used to smuggle arms and drugs in the western sector of the country by Pakistan-based suspected groups of smugglers and militants to destabilize the law and order situation in the country. Quick approval was granted by DGCA to the Survey of India and Arab Unmanned System for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Swamidva scheme for using drone technologies for 8 more Indian states, namely Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Bihar, Orissa, Jharkhand, Punjab, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, where Uttar Pradesh was granted earlier. Good news for all the aeromodelling enthusiasts: to create significant opportunities and interest in aviation activities, a draft of National Aerosports Policy 2021 is proposed to be formed by Ministry of Civil Aviation. In order to prepare and view this draft, a committee of designated officials, Joint Secretary Amber Dubey, DGCA Joint DG Peer Singh Rai, and representatives of Ministries of Tourism and Youth Affairs and Sports, Aerosports Industry and Aero Club of India as members is constituted. IIT Hyderabad has set up a new technology innovation hub on autonomous navigation (TIHAN) for UAV and remotely operated vehicles following a funding of Rs 135 crore from the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. General Aeronautics announced an INR 65 million pre-series investment led by Mela Ventures for expanding its go-to-market program and to continue to invest in the areas of high reliability and efficient spraying as well as operational support, including training drone pilots. Drones can amaze you anytime, anywhere. Likewise, Banaras Hindu University experts use drones to plant seeds in the fields. Villagers at Khuatan village in Mirzapur witnessed that agricultural scientists were using the drone technology to plant seeds on the field. Indian Navy has moved a proposal in fast-track mode before the Defence Ministry for procuring 10 naval shipborne unmanned aerial systems for around Rs 1,300 crores, which has been cleared by the government. This month has brought us a successful creation by an Indian Army officer named Lieutenant Colonel G.Y.K. Reddy by developing a microcopter which can be used by the Army to carry out surveillance inside a building or room in which the terrorists are hiding. Kudos to the young and heroic drone enthusiast named Devang Subil, who gave an epitome example of how drone technology can be used for the betterment of the society by saving drowning men with the help of his drone. With focus on doubling farmers' income by improving both the productivity and production, 11 agri startups has signed MOU with the AgriHub Foundation of Professor Jayasankar, Telangana State Agricultural University. DRDO has initiated research and development of high-weight micro-tactical drone that can be launched from a 40 mm grenade launcher with an endurance of approximately 40 minutes. ITI Bhubaneswar signed an MOU with IC Drones to set up a Drone Excellence Center having high-end workstations and flying simulators powered by the latest softwares and equipped to facilitate the training. Ministry of Civil Aviation and DGCA have granted conditional exemption to National Capital Region Transport Corporation for the deployment of RPAs for data acquisition for mapping and implementation of web-based GIS platform for Delhi-Meerut RRTS. Thanks to drones, because farmers may soon expect some help from the skies for speedy settlement of claims in crop insurance through deployment of drones allowed under PM Shri Narendra Modi's Fasal Bima Yojana to study losses and mapping of crops. After Redbird and Bombay Flying Club, Telangana State Aviation Academy has received its first batch of DGCA-approved certified drone pilots. BVLOS operations are necessary to be able to unlock the full potential of drones. Keeping this in mind, another significant step was taken by Ministry of Civil Aviation by extending the date till 31st of December 2021 for providing conditional exemptions for conducting BVLOS experimental flight trials. IoTech World Aviation, a Haryana-based UAV manufacturing startup, has marked itself noticeable in the Indian drone industry by developing SurveyBot, India's first DGCA-approved LiDAR survey drone. Conditional exemption has been provided by DGCA and MOCA to use RPAS for agricultural research purposes at Institute Research Firm to ICAR's Central Potato Research Institute. Any sufficient advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic, and such magic is developed by the researchers from G.S. Sanyal School of Telecommunication at IIT Kharagpur by developing a UAV-assisted communication infrastructure for 5G that can serve as an airborne mobile telecom tower during emergencies. That's all we have accumulated for this month. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. Link is provided in our description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thanks for watching. Do like our video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.